Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, this is an educational channel. So in our today's lesson, we will be looking at economics. So we're looking at a topic which is basic economic problems. Every day you make economic decisions without even knowing it. Why can't we have everything we want? So let's find out in today's lesson on basic economic problems. Here we have meaning of basic economic problems. Basic economic problems are the difficult choices people, businesses, and government make because resources are limited but human wants are unlimited. So simple explanation, basic economic problems are the problem of making choices because there is not enough to satisfy all our wants. So limited here has to do with a little, but unlimited has to do with a whole lot, meaning that we have a lot of want as humans. So now let's go to the three basic economic problems. So the first is what to produce. Which goods and services should be produced? So example, should a farmer grow rice or maize? And I will show you an example of that in illustration. So look at this farmer. This farmer is actually contemplating either to grow rice or maize. So this is one of the problems you will face if you want to go into production. Next is how to produce. What is the best way to produce goods? For example, should a company use machines or human labor? So you can see here that is the machine that is actually doing the plantation work. So this farmer here is using rice plantation machine to plant the rice. And another one is the application of human labor. So this is human labor that is used in planting of rice. So let's go to the third one now, which is for whom to produce. Who should receive the goods and services? For example, should the available rice be sold only to wealthy people, or should enough rice be produced so that everyone can afford it? So you can see the two producers here. The first one is actually contemplating on if we should produce only for the wealthy ones, while this one is actually thinking of producing enough for everyone. So producing for only the wealthy means prioritizing high-end market, and for everyone is emphasizing universal affordability so that everybody can actually afford it, not just for the wealthy ones. Now let's go to reason why these problems do exist. Why? So it's not because human wants are unlimited, but it's because resources like money, land, labor, and time are limited. So people must make choices and give up some wants. So here is an illustration. You can see time, you can see money on the table, you can see land outside the window, and you can see the laborers outside. And when you apply all these, you'll be able to understand more better. So basic economic problems arise because resources are scarce while human wants are unlimited. Therefore, everyone must make wise choices every day. Can you think of a choice you made today because you didn't have enough money or time? Tell me in the comment section and I'll be right there to reply you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you find my video helpful, like, share, subscribe so that you'll be getting my new videos. Thank you so much for your support. Stay tuned because I'll be uploading a new video on types of economy. Trust me, it's going to be so clear and understandable. Bye.